DJT stock analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying is the question, and I'm covering that in the short 1 minute video. Look, I've done 40,000 videos over 5 years, and over that time period I've seen what's working for me, what's not, especially now with DJT. I mean, when I look at this stuff, let's pull on here daily chart. Yeah, oh, this is such a great demand zone. Last thing that I'm going to do from this is just immediately get involved and buy. So how's my approach to me going to look like? Well, I would appreciate a second break above 22.36. And if that does not quite happen, then I guess I'm not going to quite buy. Very simple, you know, like, I don't know why the heck would people overcomplicate this sort of stuff, but all I'm doing in the meantime is I'm waiting. I do have a lot of previous receipts in my Discord as well. Just 2, so I lied to you there. There's not a lot, just 2, but other than that, this, I mean, we can argue it's a swing over the next week. Could happen, but this is surely not, I mean, I don't know, but first rules must be met in order for me to buy. I don't know if it's exactly going to happen on Tuesday. No one knows, but I really doubt it. I'm going to give it time. And if you want to learn how I'm making 5 to 10K per month trading, just click the first link in the description and get my free emails.